The all-new 2022 Hyundai Ioniq 5, an electric small SUV, earns a Top Safety Pick Plus award from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. To earn either of the Institute's two awards in 2022, vehicles must earn good ratings in 6 crashworthiness evaluations, including the driver's side small overlap front, passenger side small overlap front, moderate overlap front, original side, roof strength, and head restraint tests. They must also be available with a front crash prevention system that earns advanced or superior ratings in both the vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-pedestrian evaluations. For the lower-tier Top Safety Pick, at least one good or acceptable headlight system must be available. For the higher-tier Top Safety Pick Plus, good or acceptable headlights must be standard across all trims. The Ioniq 5 meets all the requirements for the higher-tier award. Its standard front crash prevention system earns superior ratings in the vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-pedestrian evaluations. The Cell Unlimited trims come equipped with good rated LED projector headlights, while the SE trim comes with LED reflectors that earn an acceptable rating. The award applies to vehicles built after December 2021, when Hyundai made changes to the front seats that could affect the head restraint evaluation.